In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to implement the new real-time OpenAI into VAPI because they just added the integration. I'm just going to show you how to add it, all the different voices that we're starting to utilize, and why we're actually starting to utilize it. And I'm going to show you how to break it and show you that it's almost impossible to break with the interruption, all that different stuff. So just to get into that. Also, you're probably wondering, who is this random guy? My name is John Joshin. I've worked with over 50 different companies in a multitude of different industries, ranging from real estate to tree companies to franchise consultants and many more. So let's jump right in. So I'm going to show you that brand new OpenAI Real-Time in VAPI. And it's actually really simple to add it in. Most people, they're trying to struggle, they're trying to actually build it out with the custom APIs of OpenAI, but VAPI simplified it for all of us. So all we have to do is click a couple buttons and we're actually automatically in there. So if you see right here, we have the generic OpenAI provider. So if we click this, then we click the model, we have GPT-4o real-time cluster now. So if we click this, it changes a lot of different stuff. So we can see the real-time preview is activated. We can also see the cost went down and the latency went down. So if I just switch back, just so you can see the difference, the cost is at 11 cents for this. Latency is 900 milliseconds. So switching back drops everything down a lot, right? So all of this is lowered because we don't need the extra voices. This is only 1 penny for this, and the latency is significantly faster, right? So even just like that, that's so much faster, right? So I'm going to just show you what this sounds like in the bare bones of it, with just a basic prompt and the automatic voice. So we have all these different voices, that different stuff, and I'm just going to show you. Let's see the difference.
Hey, how's it going today?
It's going good. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. This is Linda from Your Best Franchise Consultants. Do you remember filling out a form to explore some franchise options?
Yeah, I do.
Awesome. So, what do you do for work right now? Have you run a business before? Or are you looking to dive into something new?
I run a voice AI company.
Nice. Running a voice AI company sounds pretty cutting edge. So, here's how our process works. We'll analyze different
So we can see that significantly faster. The voices are all right, but it's cheaper and it's faster in the response time, which gives it a way more natural response. So if we check right here, we can test out the different voices. We have Alloy, Echo, Nova, Shimmer, Onyx, Fable. So we've tested these, and I believe our favorite one right now is Nova, but they're all very different and they're all very similar. So let's just show you the Nova one, for example. Let's play this.
Hey, how's it going today?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Who am I speaking with today?
You're speaking with John. Who are you?
Hey John, I'm Linda with Your Best Franchise Consultants. Do you remember filling out a form about
No, I
franchise
don't.
option? No worries, John. We help folks explore franchise opportunities. It's a chance to own a business with a proven
Wait, don't
system.
waste my time. How much does it cost?
Well, first things first, our services are free. We get to know you, check out different industries and territories, and then present
company do you
franchise
represent?
options that we represent over 800 hand-picked franchise.
And even with this, you can see I tested the interruption aspect, and the interruption delays and the interruption responses are significantly better than it was before. Because before, it was just cutting in and out. It may have lost its train of thought, but now, when we're cutting it and interrupting it, it responds almost perfectly. That's the difference. So that was the Nova voice. We can show you the Echo one too. And I'm going to try to break it.
Hey, how's it going today?
Good. I'm going to try to break you, okay?
Well, you can give it a shot. But remember, I'm here to help you with franchise questions and bookings. So, what can I do for you today?
You tell me.
All right, let's dive in. My name is Linda with Your Best Franchise Consultants. Do you remember filling out a form about exploring franchise options?
No.
No worries. We help folks explore franchise opportunities. My job is to guide you through the process. Can I ask what you do for work right now?
No, you can't. How'd you even get my number? Like, I don't like this.
I understand your concern.
Wait,
We only reach. We're sure, take your time. What's on your mind?
you tell me.
Well, if you're interested, I can tell you a bit about
Hold
how
up.
we help folks. Okay, if you have any other questions or need a.
That interruption's incredible. You can obviously tell the difference in comparison to the one before where it was 11 labs. It was actually using those separate voices. It would have to reply. It was getting cut up before. Now, I can even say one word as an interruption. It'll pause, and it'll respond almost perfectly, super fast too. That's the difference. So that's the other voice. We tested Alloy, Echo, Nova. Let's show you Shimmer now. So if I publish this, give it a double publish.
Hey, how's it going today?
Let me see if this is actually the correct voice. Cool. So let's play this voice.
Hey, how's it going today?
Good, how about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Stop.
My name is Linda from Your Best Franchise Consultants. Do you remember filling out a form about exploring franchise options?
No.
No worries. Well, we're here to help folks like you explore options for
Can
starting
you just
a
call
franchise.
me later?
I totally get it, but this will only take a moment.
How long is a
We can
moment?
figure. Just a few minutes, I promise. We'll go over some quick questions about your work, where you'd like to start a
So even in just that, you can see the quality difference is significantly better. So at least for us, we're going to move a lot of our different accounts over to this just because of the quality. And it's quality, it's cheaper, the latency is better, the responses are better, the interruptions better. So we're actually transitioning a lot of our different stuff over to this. And not just that, I highly recommend you guys do the exact same too. So after watching that video, you should have a good understanding of exactly how to actually implement this new voice and why you should implement this new voice. I gave it through some thorough testing. I tried to break it. The responses were almost impeccable. It was actually almost better than a human being because it doesn't start freaking out. It doesn't do all the interruption, like break this, break that. It's almost perfect. And not just that, if you're looking for a build out for yourself or for your customers, then schedule in down below and we'll help you out. Otherwise, we also have a school community where we're giving away every single one of our templates all in here. So we have Go High Level Snapshots, VAPI Blueprints, VAPI Web Snippets, AI Auto Rebuilding System, Make Automations, VAPI Prompting. We're giving away knowledge bases. We're giving away our copywriting. And we're also giving away templates for all of our different YouTube videos that we're posting from now on. So you can either join in here, the link is in the description, or you can also just book on our calendar and we'll help build out your entire system for you.